camping this weekend on the Rogue and set up the Starlink, and I think it popped up Saturday. And I was like, well, if it's still there on Monday and they're responsive, we'll go look at it. Casey and I ran over there last night. It's 2001, 104,000 miles. Not bad at all.
Yeah, that's great.
4-liter, which seems to be harder to find than you would think. It's originally from Florida. We found out there's a little bit of weirdness about the title because she got like a lien release from Florida, but it was an Oregon address. So we're like, well, it had to be transferred. And so we were going to go down to the DMV together today and try and figure it out. And she texted last night that she found the title. Still got carpet in it. It's got an aftermarket soft top. Washer fluid is full. Yeah, we like our washer fluid around here.
Full tank of unleaded?
It's actually almost full of gas. Yeah. Just obviously it's been towed. For an 01, it's incredible how unmolested this thing is.
I know. And you didn't even want to buy it.
It's crazy. Still don't want to buy it. Now I don't want to give it away.
Yeah. I bet you're not going to get out of it. You're going to drive the thing till the wheels fall. Did you show Joey's wiring and see if he could warranty it, or when you take it to brass?
Oh yeah, I want you guys, like, I mean, there's almost $7,000 worth of stereo equipment in this thing.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, the old
Oh, nice.
Walmart called.
Yeah.
I wonder if we'd seen their subwoofer.
Oof! That's gonna look sick in my Toyota.
And then apparently the speaker box is so big that you can't fully latch the rear seat.
Oh no.
You got to kind of put it in there at an angle.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's got Mav's paws on the back already. That's cool.
And then you might want to get a shot of this. This is I like this feature of the wiring. We ran out the body right here.
Oh yeah. That's quality right there.
Come on.
Good boy. That was fun.
Is that fun? Oh yeah. And all of our infinite wisdom last night didn't check the AC.
Shoot. Dang it. Gosh darn it.
That's better.
It's blowing a little cold, but it fell slow. It's charged. I'm stoked about the half doors. I don't know what other people think, but there's nothing better than a TJ half door. In the summertime, obviously, but
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know what those things go for now. $1,000 probably. Oh, so
Yeah, but $79 sub box makes so you can't use the back seat.
that's going quickly into the back of Casey's Tacoma.
Let's take the top off of it.
Pretty cool. Just folds down, right? Does it?
I don't know.
Yeah, don't TJ tops fold down? Oh, good stuff, huh? Right?
Mav, go get your stick. Go get it.
Yeah. Arthritis, carpal tunnel.
He's like, what am I getting? Oh my gosh, he does got a stick.
Pull it back.
Gotta get out of the way, Nate.